Hi lovelies! In today's video, I wanted to share with you my typical morning cleaning routine. Welcome back if you're one of my lovely subscribers, and welcome if you're new. If you're new, I hope you stick around and enjoy today's video. Clean along with me, or sip on your cuppa and watch while you mentally prepare yourself to clean today. As soon as I wake, every morning I clean without fail. There is always surface damage from the night before that needs fixing up. I need a clean slate. Mentally, I need a clean house to work through my day's to-do list. So my day will always begin with an hour or two of cleaning first thing. So I thought I'd bring you along and show you what my morning cleaning routine looks like in summertime. I'm certain this video will give you plenty of motivation to tackle your to-do list today. And when all the cleaning's done at the end of the video, I've got a super tasty, healthy vegan pancake recipe my body loves, and I hope yours does too. So stay tuned for my healthy pancake recipe. I've had my morning coffee, and somehow the boy pups have convinced me to give them treats crazy early in the morning. It's time to get a load in the washing machine. I try and get a load in the washing machine first thing every morning. What normally happens is I'll then do 2 or 3 loads that day, then leave it for a few days. Boo Boo is an excellent supervisor. Here you can see him randomly spot sniff testing to check my washing decisions. You'll see him throughout the video. Watch out for him doing sniff and spot checks. It's August and about 35 degrees each day. I must do all my outside chores while it's coolest, it's shady, and it's less windy. I love my lightweight handheld leaf blower. Not only does it save the flower petals and the leaves from blowing inside all day, it re-inflates my poor swan each morning too. In summer, every few days, the pool filters want emptying and new chlorine tablets added. The debris from the bottom of the pool needs vacuuming, but you know what? I love it. I feel so blessed and so grateful to have a pool. I have always adored swimming, so I take pleasure and satisfaction every time I clean it. Did you see Boo Boo sniff testing the pool hose?
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel
the pups had great fun doing zoomies around the pool this morning, and their favourite summer pastime, lizarding. We've had each pup since they were tiny, and they're all a similar age. Size doesn't matter, they play great together.
got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine.
Now I'm inside. I'll get this living area and the kitchen tidied and straightened really quickly. It takes practically no time and makes such a huge difference. I love to watch the pups play. They're expelling so much energy, they'll be shattered soon and sleep all day under the aircon. My gorgeous bunch of fur babies like the living room a little different to me. You'll see they're still full of beans and they're full of love.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie.
Am I just the world's biggest softie? Or do you do this too? If you have pets, honestly, let me know. If they look happy or asleep, I don't like to move them. I'll work around them. Do let me know. Have they got me wrapped around their little claw? Am I too soft? Taking away the items that don't belong is a really quick way to make the house look tidier and uncluttered. And if you've got guests coming over, grab a laundry basket and just run around the house, throwing everything that shouldn't be where it shouldn't be. Fixed. This is just a cheap handheld vacuum from Lidl. It was €20, but it's one of my favourite cleaning tools. I use it so many times a day. Highly recommend them if you don't have one. They are just so useful. Look at where I can get into. I find it is so useful with the 4 fur bombs.
Easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this.
I find this Pledge Clean It jasmine scent really helps keep the fur off the surfaces. With blonde, ginger and white furred puppies, I need all the help I can get. In our next house, for sure, all I'll have is beech wood, and white marble, anything light coloured.
Wants to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love.
The sun's going.
Now to tidy the rest of the living area. And my handheld vacuum makes it so quick to defur the edges, the cabinet tops, follow with a quick pledge to clean it, and the living area looks so tidy, clean, and just smells so fresh.
Summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright.
Brush mops are my best friend. Fur and dust just sticks to them. I can run around the floors super fast twice a day, no effort, and all the fur's gone. For a super long lasting, fresh, clean smell that makes you smile for hours, I find this lavender scent floor wash from Lidl smells so lovely for hours and hours, even the next day. I like a little bleach, in for hygiene, and then I quickly mop all the floors, not moving the furniture, and I do this a few times a week. It keeps the floors lovely and clean and is great for removing the fur and keeping the fur away. I use bath shower mats by my doorways. They are amazingly sticky and fantastic at staying in place.
Summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance.
These glass patio doors are really quick to clean. I try and clean them every few days so then they don't take very long. White vinegar, water and some microfiber cloths and they're lovely. Sometimes, like today, I'll just do the insides. It's so much quicker. And the insides are where most of the puppy kisses are. And I think maybe it's fly poop. I always think that if my mirrors and my glass doors are clean, this tells visitors everything's clean. It's so quick and easy to achieve. So that's my tip. If you've got company last minute, have a quick tidy round, throw everything out of place into a laundry basket, hide it somewhere, then polish your glass and your mirrors up. Make them shine. This cleaning routine you're watching this morning, I don't do in full like this every morning. I rotate what I clean each day. Some things I do every day, like fixing the service damage, straightening up, vacuum, brush, mop, wipe surfaces, but then I rotate my tasks. So today, I've cleaned the pool, I'm mopping, I'm cleaning the glass windows, I've got the bed upstairs to change, but tomorrow morning, in addition to my daily straightening up, the downstairs bathroom will get done, the shower room upstairs. Sometimes I change the sofa throws. With working full time, cleaning's got to be manageable and sustainable. So after my routine clean up and tidy, I'll choose a couple of extra tasks. Clean the staircase, declutter something. Every day I clean or declutter at least one extra thing, and this means I chip away at my to-do list. I feel like I'm making progress, which is just fantastic for my mind, especially at the start of the day.
I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight.
If you're new here, thank you for joining me clean today. I hope you find my video gives you the motivation you need today to tackle your to-do list and climb the mountain you feel you need to climb. Be sure to say hi if you're new and tell me something about yourself. I love the community we're building, so please introduce yourself. If you're not new and you have any videos you would like to see soon, please let me know what this is. Or if you have a recipe you'd like me to veganize, please let me know in the comments. You know how I love to make new healthy creations in my kitchen.
Whenever I see you, you stole my heart. What is it that you do?
If you're new, thank you so much for dropping by my channel today. It really means the world to me you're here. I'm Kirsty. Here on my channel, I love to make cleaning motivation videos and decor inspiration videos, and I love to share my love for health and fitness with weekly nutritious, tasty vegan and plant-based recipes that I love to create and then I love to share. You've met my 4 beautiful fur babies, and you will see my hubby normally eating every so often, and you'll see him on my Instagram, SunshineKirsty1.
You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay, or Oh, take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
One of my favourite tasks when cleaning is hanging the washing outside, getting the fresh air, seeing the nature. Do you hang your washing outside? Let me know in the comment section how you dry your washing, where you dry it.
You make me smile. What is it that you do?
I love to straighten the kitchen up because it makes such a huge difference. I seem to turn it into a bomb site several times a day. I tell myself, anyone that cooks a lot creates a lot of mess. But is this really true? Let me know how your kitchen looks throughout the day. Does it regularly get turned into a bomb site? Or am I just crazily messy?
You're my heart's desire.
We're very nearly done cleaning now this morning, but more coffee is required.
You just wanna be with you.
You may have noticed JJ follows me everywhere. I had a few items to restock in the pantry. Vegan chocolate drops, bay leaves, olive oil, coffee and raw cacao powder.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow
Once a week I descale the kettle. Our water is so hard it creates like a limescale crust inside the kettle so fast. So every week I add 1/3 white vinegar to 2/3 water, boil it, redo if I need to, then rinse it, and this keeps the limescale at bay perfectly. Of course, one of the first things I must do each day is top up the water in the biscuit bowls for the pups, renew the slops mat and clean up. I've 2 feeding stations set up on opposite sides of the room to give the pups eating privacy. It works for us. And the pups eat and drink whenever they want to all day long. They're in perfect size and shape, so this is the perfect system for us.
reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Final room. I feel great that downstairs is so clean and so tidy. It's nearly time to make pancakes and they're so tasty and I feel great after eating them. Zero bloat. Even if you're not plant-based, I hope you give some of my tasty nutritious recipes a try. They could be a side dish. They are super healthy and so good for your body. Defurring and cleaning the bedroom has been quick. Floor rugs are shook, floor and under the bed has been brush mopped, wet mopped and fresh sheets. Perfect. And smells great.
Be my great love. Right in front of me. I didn't realize you were.
A super quick clean of the landing.
Took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest.
I love lizards. I found this baby lizard in my shorts on the stairs and I put him outside before the pups found the little cutie. It's time to make the healthiest vegan protein pancakes you're going to love. They are super delicious, they are packed full of protein and a great way to start your day. Take a pic of the ingredients on your phone and here's how I make them. I begin with my vegan egg substitutes. I have both chia and flax in my pantry, so I grind 1 tablespoon of each of these superfoods as both are nutrient dense with different nutrients. We've got omegas, we've got protein, antioxidants, iron, calcium, fibre, benefits including lowering cholesterol, improving heart health, decreasing cancer risk. They truly are superfoods. I'm using chia and linseed flax to bind the pancake like egg does. So for each tablespoon of ground seed, I add 3 tablespoons of water. This mixture needs to chill and solidify in the fridge for 15 minutes. My dry ingredients are 2 tablespoons of oats, 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of pea protein, a sprinkle of cinnamon to your taste, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oats and chickpea flour are a great source of protein and fibre with many vitamins and minerals like folate and iron, and oats are the most amazing for removing fat from your blood. It's time to make this batter mix. I add 6 tablespoons of coconut milk. Use the plant milk you like, but I add this gradually. First I make a paste with it, then I mix it more to create a smooth and non-lumpy batter. Once the batter is nice and smooth, I add the goji berries, which are great for protein, vitamins A, C and iron. I checked my chia and flax, but they weren't thick enough. They needed more time to solidify in the fridge, so I went for a swim. I'm pushing myself every morning to invest 10 minutes in myself, going for a swim or working out before I start my workday. Exercise is amazing for my mental health. Yay! It's time to make pancakes. I've mixed my chia and linseed with my batter mix. Add the splash of oil your pan needs and heat your oil to medium-high. Once hot, carefully add a little batter and create a circle. I make these quite small as they're easier to flip. A small non-stick pan would make these perfectly with very little oil. I've always loved pancakes, but traditional crepe pancakes always sat heavy. Sure, they filled me, but these are nice and light and don't sit heavy in your stomach. Cook on both sides for a couple of minutes, carefully lifting the edges to make flipping easier. Then serve and add your favourite topping. I normally go just for a little lemon juice, but we've just had vegan weekend little, so I made one with vegan hazelnut chocolate spread and banana, delicious, and one with lemon juice and a little star fruit for decoration. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this recipe or today's video. I bring out new healthy recipes each week and homemaking motivation most weeks too. I hope you enjoyed these pancakes and I look forward to seeing the next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye lovelies.